Hi guys, I'm just going to do a demonstration of our cherry roller wax, which is a vegan wax, and I'm just going to show how you can speed wax with it. So when you speed wax, basically it's being able to cover a large area all in one hit and remove. So I'm able to cover the whole front of the leg. So you can see with the cherry that it's got a slight redness to it on the skin. It's got a very light cherry aroma, so it's not too overpowering. And I can actually leave that on the skin for half an hour period and it won't dry onto the skin as would a honey wax. So there's no rush. I could in fact cover the other leg and then do a removal on both legs at the same time. So I'm now going to go to remove this. So this client has gone from, she's a regular shaver, so this will be a little bit tender, especially around the ankles, that she's quietly suppressing in the background. So just notice that I'm still on the same strip for the majority of the front of the leg. So she's got a few little resistant ones there because she only shaved 2 weeks ago. So I'm going to do a very slight overlay, and because of the low temperature of this wax, it is very, very comfortable to be able to overlay the skin a couple of times. So we'll just have a little check of the strip. So you can see the build-up of hair there. She's got a very dense amount of hair. So actually it's done a great job removing. We're just going to hit those couple that haven't come out with a quick overlay, and then we'll check the response of the skin to show how comfortable a temperature it is, and there will be no redness on the skin. So we're just going to do a little overlay just for the couple that are a little on the short side from shaving. Stage that I discover the couch is too high for me and I'm having to really reach across. Oh, that's beautiful. So they've all come out. Beautiful. So we've got our little overlay leftover ones all done, and that is our cherry roller wax.